I don't throw away large zucchinis. I save them for the winter and turn them into pineapples. First, I'll wash the zucchini. I need more ripe and bigger zucchini. I will peel the zucchini. I cut the peeled zucchini into thicker rings. Of this thickness. I take out the middle of the zucchini with a mold. I just need the solid part. I need a saucepan. I pour 1.5 liters of pineapple juice into the pot. I will squeeze the lemon. I need 360 milliliters of lemon juice. I add lemon juice to the pan. I add 600 grams of sugar. I put the pan on the stove and heat until the sugar melts. The sugar has melted. I put the zucchini in the dressing. I'll wait for the dressing to boil. Then I reduce the temperature and cook for 15 minutes. Zucchini absorbs pineapple juice during cooking. I don't cook it too long because I want the pieces to remain firm and whole. I need clean and washed jars. After 15 minutes of cooking, I put the zucchini in the jar. Do not fill the jars to the top. I pour the dressing into jars to cover the zucchini. I'm going to wipe the top of the jar, and I'm going to close them right away. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour hot water into the pot, up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, I take them to a dark and cool place until use. From overgrown zucchini, we got a delicious treat for the winter with the taste and appearance of pineapple. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.